So today we're going to discuss active shutters. So a lot of the newer vehicles have these things. Their main purpose is to improve fuel economy. They do that by shutting until your engine warms up to temperature, and then also by shutting as you're going down the highway in order to increase your, or reduce, make your aerodynamics better. There is an interesting part of that, and the interesting part of that is that they can actually increase your engine temperature over what your thermostat is actually rated for by shutting as they're going down the highway, and some of them are programmed to do that. So these do get hit by things, and these vents or blinds, if you want to call them, do get knocked off track. They do get broken, or the whole thing gets broken, as evidenced here. And this one specifically is the upper for a 2018 Traverse. A lot of them are very similar. The Traverse actually has two, an upper and a lower. And I'll flip it over here so you can kind of see how it's working, or how it works. There is a motor that actually sits in this cavity here, and it has a 3-pin connector that goes to it. It's the same motor for the top and the bottom, and also the same connector. The shutter itself has one rod which connects all of them, and the motor has a spline drive. So the spline drive for the motor looks like this, and one that is not a spline drive looks like this on the other one end, and on the other end it's like this. Both of them are the exact same on the one end, but on the other end they are different, as you can see. So on the one side here I only have the top one installed and the rod, so you can kind of see how that functions. On the other side they're all there except for the one with the spline drive. I'm going to show you how to put the one in with the spline drive. So the easiest way to put these in is from the back, but you can also do it from the front. There is only the one that is different. They are all different on this, on the left side versus the right side. So this would be the right side, that would be the left side, or driver passenger. But they are different from one side to the other, but top to bottom they actually use all the same slats. The vertical is different though, top to bottom, because the bottom has, I think it's 5 versus the 8 up top. I could be wrong on the 5, but I think it's 5. Anyway, to put these in, you slide this in, which if the motor was there, it would slide into the motor. You slide this peg into the corresponding hole, and then on the opposite side, you literally just have to get it in that hole. So go on top of that and then flex it. So you flex it up and slide the pin in. Oops, sorry. With it not fastened down, I'm kind of chasing it. And I'm also doing it with one hand. So get the pin in, release it, and it's all there. And I can act as the motor here and close and open it. So getting the ones with the spline drive in is a little bit more difficult, especially with the motor installed, but it is doable. So once again, to get it out, flex it up, and you can pull it out. Sorry, I'm trying to get it far enough away that it'll focus. So anyway, it was in, Now it's out, now it's back in. So really it's not that bad, especially if they just come out. I'm actually planning, since I had to buy one whole unit, I am planning on probably getting rid of these ones. Might throw them up on eBay, not 100% sure. But one that doesn't have the spline drive, or I can go on this side. So I'll do this one from the front just so that you can see. So, and with 2 pins goes towards the middle. Got it lined up, as you can see, so that it's in that. And then it's easiest when they're open to get them installed. So over here, sorry, over here, got it. Flex it and pop it in. So flex it up, pop it out. Like I said, it's easier from the back side, but obviously if you're doing it on the vehicle, you don't have to remove it in order to do it from the front side. So anyway, flex in and flex it out.